is video 2, going over the homework assignment from Test Wizard. Which two substances cannot be broken down by chemical change, right? That not be broken down is going to be an element. So elements. So I need to find two that are elements. How do I know if something's an element or not? Because I'm not familiar with them all just yet. So this is where your reference tables come in. And I need table S, or I need to make sure one capital letter, right? So only one capital letter. So this is a compound. This is a compound and a compound. This is a compound. Which one can be broken down? Now I'm looking for a compound, not an element. So I'm looking for more than one capital letter. Choice number A. And it's also not on table S. This is on table S, this is on table S, this is on table S. Which two gases cannot be broken down by chemical means, right? This is going to be, I'm looking again for an element, one capital letter. So choice number C, because that's a compound, compound, compound. So now if I go next here to number 15, I want a pure substance. That means all the pictures in the box are going to be exactly the same. So then that's why this is choice number A, because this is a mixture, mixture, mixture. All right, let's go to over here, particle diagram number 16. Which particle diagram represents molecules of only one compound? So I need more than one little picture. This is an element, right, because they're all the same in the box. This is a mixture of elements. It's not compounds. These are all the same in the box, and I have two different symbols joined together. So this is definitely a compound. But now let's examine this. This is a mixture of compounds. So that's why this one's going to be choice C. All right, now we're moving on. Which particle diagram represents a sample containing the compound CO? So that means that I have a carbon and an oxygen, and it has to be a compound. This is an element, right? Because a compound would have to have a carbon and an oxygen. So this could be carbon and oxygen. Oh, this one's a tricky one. And so this is this one is CO2, right? Because if this is the oxygen, I have two of those oxygens. This one would be CO. That's why this one is choice number D. Choice number 18, a mixture of element X and Z only, of element X and Z, not a compound of X and Z. So this is a mixture of the two elements, X and Z. This is a compound. So then this is a compound. This has got a compound, two different compounds. So that's why it's choice D. Number 19, one compound only, right? It means pure substance. That's going to be D, because notice this one's a mixture. This is a mixture, and this is an element. All right, I want to go and make sure I have enough time, so I'm going to skip over a few because I've done a lot of element compound mixture questions already. So let's go on to this 25. Which one shows the volume and mass of 4 different substances? Which of the substances has the lowest density? So the lowest density is going to have the lowest slope. Remember, density is mass over volume, which is the same thing as slope, right? Rise over run. So then the lowest density would be choice D. A would be the highest density, right? So if you're stuck on a question like this and you have to choose something like this and it's a range of things, in general, it's either going to be the highest or lowest of something. So just as a strategy, I might eliminate those two choices. Then I can just narrow down, and then I can get, to the, increase my odds of getting a question. And so I think with my video, I still have a smidgen more time. So I'll do number 25. I need a mixture. I've got 30 seconds. So this is just an element. It's a pure substance. Everything the same in the box. This is a mixture, okay, because I have different things inside the box. Everything's the same in the box, so it's an element or a compound. This is a compound. Everything's the same in the box, so this is an element or a compound. This is a compound. So that's why C is the mixture. So hopefully me going over these helped, and good luck when similar questions will be on your test.